Are you looking to reinstate your driving privileges in Arizona? You are at the right place. Welcome to Arizona DUI Services, your one-stop solution for getting online DUI screening, revocation, and DUI education. We take advantage of technology to provide quality service to our clients by connecting with them electronically via online platforms. This gives us the flexibility to meet your needs at the location of your choice. Our agency is licensed by the Arizona Department of Health Services. We are also ADOT MVD approved. This means we can offer services to meet court-ordered ADOT MVD requirements to reinstate your driving privileges. With us, you will get convenience, hassle-free experience, and complete peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? If you have been convicted of a DUI in the state of Arizona, then look no further. Visit ArizonaDUIServices.com today.